laying in the shade.
Oh, okay.
The other lion, I think, was laying next to that board.
See, I
Female.
was looking straight over that way from the viewpoint.
That's why I said not to the right, straight across it.
Come on.
He must have got worn out with all the bellowing.
He was upset about something.
Maybe he was tired and having a tantrum.